Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you can.
Alright, welcome back here to another video. I am starting this video off in my car with the doors closed because it is absolutely freezing outside. We are at a meet like a pre-meet before we go on a back road drive to a car show. But it is a little bit nippy outside. It got down to about freezing. It's a nice day. It's sunny, but it's cold. So we're waiting for everybody to roll in, and then once they get here, we're gonna head out. And about an hour back road drive. We've done this drive before, but I don't know if we're taking the same route as last time. Going to the back roads were not that great. So hopefully we're gonna be taking a different route. So we're gonna hang out for a little bit and then head out. All right, so let's see what we got here. We got a Mach 1 500. People still rolling up. Got a Roush. Hi, lady. Yeah. And then this guy, shoot, 5.0. So we did the springs on this last week, and you can tell it has dropped down a little bit. In the back, there was, you could fit 2 fingers in here. Now you can't even fit 2, you can barely fit 1. So it dropped maybe, I want to say at least half an inch, possibly even 3/4. So it has settled a little bit, like we said, once we installed these last weekend. So we got more, we got a 350 going down all the way down there. There's 2 routes to get to where we're going, and there's one route, like I said, where the roads are extremely bumpy, lots of potholes. So we're avoiding that route. Better not making a mess.
I have it in the bag.
She's eating trail mix. She's cleaning the car, she makes a mess. Bingo.
I like how it legal car.
That was the X-pipe. God damn it.
I didn't even.
I did. And we're already spinning. Tracks. Yep. Now we're good. Go, Bever, go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Hold on to your drink. Not even getting traction. That was fun. We sit and wait for people that got stopped back there at the stoplight, so. Dun, dun, dun. He gave a thumbs down. What a douche. I'm going, but I don't want to go sideways. Hope that was dirt, not cow shit.
There's a bunch of debris.
Only two S197s got to part together.
Yeah, it only makes sense.
Right? That's what I was thinking. Now, did you have these at the El Mar show?
No.
Okay, because I don't remember you having these.
Yeah, I took them off because I want to do the road course a little bit.
Okay.
So, no, I just had to do a relocation bracket on it. Pop them right in.
Oh, you did? Yeah, see, I did that on my last car. I had to do like a relocation bracket.
It's just better to run 15s on an S197, not 17s.
Do you have the skinnies in front, like at home? Or do you just...
No, I've been waiting to get them, but they just got jacked up in price.
Yeah.
Because I got these with the tires for like $500.
Really?
$560.
No kidding.
This was like
$500
years ago.
So, you've had these a while now?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I'm need to look into something because
It works so
the
good.
PS4s only hook
Yeah.
so much.
These grab hard, especially
Yeah.
when it's a hot day at a dig.
Yeah.
I don't spin.
Yeah.
So
No, that's what I need. So we only have the two S197s here. My GT500, and is that a 13?
14.
A 1450, and then everybody else here in the show has got the
we're the oddballs,
S550s.
man.
You got a couple classics over
Oh, we
there.
got the 302 right there.
Where's the 302?
Right there. That red one.
Okay, I take it back. So there's a third one with the Boss 302, but everyone else is S190, or sorry, S550s. So first, second, third place get like a cash prize,
Yeah, I think they
like $100.
Yeah.
So that might help out in our favor. So all right, so we got a couple classics here. What is this? A 67? No, 68. 68, I think. That's nice. So I didn't notice this. This thing is awesome. Full send on this thing. It's got the battery relocated in the back, completely stripped interior. Guy likes to party. That's nice. This is that Roush. So that's gonna be hard to beat. God, that paint is like flawless. He's got the drag radials in the rear. He's got the skinnies in the front. It is a manual though, so that's awesome. So it's a performance pack, whippled Roush. I don't know what stage or anything like that. I'm not too familiar with Roushes, but that is definitely nice. It's the 500. Looks stock besides the JLT intake. But the JLT intakes on these, if they're tuned right, you essentially gain equivalent to about a pound of boost with the tunes on these cars. With the JLT, you can get, from everything I've heard, not from experiences, I don't have one, around 30 to 35 horsepower if it's tuned right with a Kohler intake. Alright, so we're going inside to go eat, and while we're eating, I believe they're going to be judging the cars while we're getting lunch, so we'll see what happens. Let's go get some food. You said you're putting down 830 wheel? Okay. Did you buy it as Roush or did you?
It is a Roush. It's a Roush Stage 2. Bought it as a stage 2, and I kind of went back and forth on whether to do Roush blower or not, but the heat soak scared me away from Roush, so Whipple was the way we went. So
on the S550s, what's the difference between the stage 2 and stage 3s?
So for the Roush, it's the blower, right? So on the stage 2, they go stage 3, they go suspension, they go additional cooling mods, and they get the Roush blower.
On the stage 3s?
Stage 3s, yeah.
Stage 3s.
Stage 2 is more just cosmetic.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
You get the cooling kits, you get the vents, you get all the vents that they put in.
It's paint match too, I see.
Yeah, I had all that done by
That's nice.
GPS Motorsports.
Okay.
That's who I bought the Whipple from.
830 wheel. That's impressive.
Paramount Speed did all the work.
And you said that's on E85?
It's on E85.
Nice. Taking off, man? I didn't see you taking off.
Yeah, I gotta go pick up the airbags for his 2-valve.
All right, well, hit me up sometime.
Yeah, well.
All right, buddy. Take care. All right, so on that note, I'm gonna go ahead and close this out. Quick drive out here to Brass Tap. Had some lunch, car show. Fortunately enough, I did not place in anything, but it's okay. That was all voted upon with the staff of the Brass Tap. There was employee's choice, manager choice, and people's choice, I think. I'm not too certain on that. But anyway, we're going to close this out. If you guys are watching and you're not subscribed, do me a favor, hit subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next one. See ya.